Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I am going to show you how to make these fudgy Kinder brownies. It is a layer of brownie, a layer of Kinder chocolate, another layer of brownie topped with some white chocolate hazelnut spread swirls and more Kinder chocolate. These are absolute Kinder heaven. So if you want to see how I make these, keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is melt together the dark chocolate and the butter, which I'm going to do over a bain-marie, and I'll show you that now. Okay, so we have got our lovely chocolate mixture and I'm going to let that cool down to the side for a little bit. Then we can get on with the rest of our mixture. So you want to put your eggs, and I've got some vanilla in here as well, into a bowl. And your caster sugar and light brown soft sugar. And then we're going to give that a mix with an electric mixer for a couple of minutes. There we go. So I'm just looking for it to increase in volume a little bit, and if you give the mixture a little wiggle with your mixer, then you'll just see that the little tracks there stay for like a second and then go away, and that's kind of what we're looking for. So the next thing I'm going to do is pour our lovely chocolate mixture in. Oh, throwing it everywhere. There we go. And then give it a little mix together. Then we're going to add in cocoa powder, flour, and I've got some salt in here as well. I should have sifted that. Oh well, we're here now. And then again, just give that a light, gentle mix together. Now, this is the exciting bit. I have got a whole bunch of Kinder chocolate here, and I'm going to do a layer of brownie, a layer of Kinder, another layer of brownie. So I'm going to unwrap all of these and then we will start assembling. I'm having to use every inch of willpower not to eat these. So let's get my spatula and pour a little bit in. Oh, this has got very messy very quickly, hang on. Right, let's put half of our mixture in. Oh my gosh, I am making a right mess here. And then spread it to the corners. Give it a little shake just to even it out, and then we're going to layer our chocolate on. In there just about. Then you want to put the rest of your brownie mixture on. And give that a very gentle spread around. Then, to make this even more kindery, I've got some white chocolate hazelnut spread which you can get from Morrisons. And if I can find a spoon, I'm going to put little dollops in. And then with a cocktail stick, I'm just gonna do some swirls in the brownie. Just like so, and then this is ready for the oven. So we're going to bake this for about half an hour. It may take about 25 minutes depending on your oven temperature. We're baking it at 160, but everyone's ovens run slightly different temperatures. You want it to be nice and gooey, but not raw, obviously. So check it about 25 minutes, but it's probably going to take about half an hour. The brownies are out of the oven, and whilst they're still warm, I'm going to top it with a little bit more Kinder chocolate, because you can never have too much chocolate on anything. Just like so, and then this is the worst bit. We have got to wait for them to cool down fully in their tins. So it's going to be a few hours before I see you next, I'm afraid. The brownies are nice and cool now, so I'm going to take them out of the tin and we can cut them up. I'm never very good at cutting things. Never turns out equal. Or straight, usually. Now it's time to get our first look. Oh yeah, baby. They turned out perfectly. So I'm just going to display it all on here, and then it is taste test time. And here we are. So now it is taste test time. Oh, they're so fudgy. They taste epic. Even if I do say so myself. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye!